very important if you're a mother or a father of a toddler, being very open about your communication, listening to what the child wants more than what you want the child to be, less of comparison, more of compassion for the child, and understanding that when you work on yourself and understand your individual inner child needs, it will be very, very easy and smoother for you to understand how a child would perceive. A lot of us have not able to connect to that perspective is because we somewhere have not been catered to our own inner child, and that's why we are not able to cater to our own child. So understanding that space, that if you want to have a better parenting, or understand that there has to be an open communication, open conversation about emotions, not saying this is not normal, and understanding that maybe this is that child's needs which the society might not accept. Those kinds of things is very, very important. And beyond this, definitely conversations around boundaries, conversation around sex education, conversation of what the child needs and not what the society wants. So making the child the center is very, very important. And as a marriage coach, I would just say, don't use your child as somebody who would solve your marital issues. Your child is a very, very different journey, and you have a very, very different journey. Do not mix it. Do not make your child as the purpose of your life. Child is just chosen you to come into this world. Your child should not be a purpose of the life.